Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Today we're going to look at the EGW Writings 2 app and how my library works, and then we're going to compare it to Apple Books. Because many of you have written into us and asked, what is my library? How does it work? What is its usefulness? What is its functionality? In brief, the My Library section of the EGW Writings 2 app enables you to every day read and come back to a book that you were last reading and pick up from where you left off. So let's open the EGW Writings app, tap on My Library, and you will notice that right here I'm up to page 112 in the book Acts of the Apostles. And then I can go ahead and read. Scroll to the next page, and I've set this up to do horizontal scrolling, so it'll be very familiar for those that use Apple Books, because it also is a horizontal scroll. So we're reading through the book. And when I'm finished for the day, I can stop, I can go back to the home screen, pick up, do searching, do whatever else. I close out the app, I come back the next day, open it up, tap My Library. It opens up to where I last left off. Here, instead of page 112, I'm now on page 114, and pick up and continue reading. So let's compare now this experience with Apple Books. Now, Apple Books, let's go and open up Apple Books. Once again, you get to the bookshelf. I can open up Acts of the Apostles here. It opens up. It might give you a nice graphical experience. I tap on the page, open up Acts of the Apostles, scroll through. I can pick up from a chapter and then read page by page. Okay, it looks like I'm sitting there and flipping, turning pages in a book. Coming back to the next day, if I close out the Apple Books app and open it back up, it opens up directly to where I last read. Now, what we've done in the EGW Writings app is when you open it up, and if you close it out and you relaunch it, you just tap My Library and it goes directly back. So we give you the option to choose where you want to go to. So basically, My Library and Apple Books have that similar ability to read through a book from cover to cover. So if you prefer to read the EGW Writings books, we do have them there in EPUB. You can download them and straight into your Apple Books app and go ahead and read them through. If you like to use the EGW Writings 2 app for research, study, markup, highlight, searching, as well as doing some browsing and all the other millions of other features that the app has, it's a full-blown, not just a reader app like My Library, it's a full-blown application. So I just wanted to show you briefly that the My Library and Apple Books are very similar. Thank you for joining us. Hope this has helped you, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.